Welcome CRM crew, my name is Nick and in today's quick tutorial I'm going to be explaining how to change inbox email list settings in HubSpot CRM. So once you log into HubSpot CRM, of course you will come to the home screen. Now in order to change the inbox settings, what we need to do is go to the cog in the top right hand corner here. And then what we need to do is scroll all the way down to the bottom, and where it says inbox, which sits under the tools tab, we have a number of options. Use this drop down menu if it's not already open, and you've got inboxes, team management and allow and deny list. So I'll quickly go through all three of these. If you firstly select inboxes, you can clearly see that this is where we can select our channels. So we've got the email set up. You can connect your Slack, and I'm going to do another video on how to connect your Slack to HubSpot. And of course, as you can see here, we also have the chat as well. And as you can see, the chat is currently not connected. However, if you did want to connect it, just press the connect button. And then as you can see here, you can install the tracking code on your website. And then as you can see, need help, view instructions for, and then you get some instructions for your relevant web hosting. So I use Wix, for example. So then I'd use Wix just as an instructions guide as well. So once that is embedded, then all of these streams will be coming into your HubSpot inbox. And then if you go to access up the top here, you can currently see manage who has access to the inbox. So currently everyone has access to the inbox. But if you only want certain people on the HubSpot system to be able to access the inbox, just use the drop-down menu, select specific users and teams, and then you can go through the users or the teams and add those people accordingly. Again, that is entirely up to you what you want to do. And once you've made those changes, you'll get the pop-up banner down the bottom here. Just press the save option. Now again, I'll head over to team management. Again, it's manage user chat availability for any inbox a user is associated with. So this is essentially who is able to answer the chat availability. As you can see, my status is set to available, and you can run through all of the users inside of the HubSpot system and change their status accordingly. So as you can see, this user has not accepted their invitation to join the HubSpot portal, so they are currently pending. And on mine it says upgrade to Service Hub Starter to change a user's chat status. So automatically everyone will be set on available unless you have got the Service Hub Starter pack, and then you can change those settings accordingly. Now finally, you've got the allow and deny list. I'll head over to this, and this essentially allows us to mark domains or email addresses as either yes, they are absolutely more than welcome to come into our inbox list, or no, put them on the deny list or the blacklist, and then their conversations will always be marked as spam. So this is a way of preventing the people you want to talk with ending up with spam, and the people you don't want to talk with ending up in your inbox. So you can just add an email or domain for deny or allow list. Just select add email, and then you can put the email address in, and then just press add as so wish. And then if you scroll down the bottom here, you've got some automatically marked as spam settings, so automated response emails, marketing emails, role-based emails, and subscription link emails. So you can untick or tick accordingly. Once you make changes, just make sure to press the save button. And that is more or less it for inbox settings in HubSpot CRM. So this video has clearly covered everything to do with the inbox. And that is how to change inbox settings in HubSpot CRM. I hope this video has clearly explained how to change inbox email list settings in HubSpot CRM. If you do have any further questions, please drop me an email. My details are in the description below. Otherwise, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you shortly in the next video. Thank you and goodbye.